Have you ever felt frustrated staring at that mysterious check engine light, wondering if you're about to spend hundreds at the mechanic? Well, today, we're diving into a tool that gives you the power to know exactly what your car needs instantly. Stick around because this could completely change the way you handle car diagnostics. Today, we're reviewing the Autel MaxiSYS MS906 Pro. This device promises to save you time, money, and stress. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype.
1. What is this? So what exactly is the Autel MaxiSYS MS906 Pro? It's a professional-grade automotive diagnostic scanner. Think of it as a doctor for your car. It reads fault codes, analyzes system health, and even performs advanced functions like ECU programming, coding, and bi-directional tests. In short, it gives you full control over your vehicle's health. 2. Key features. Here are the standout features that make this tool so special. Full system diagnostics for all major car brands. Live data streaming for real-time monitoring. Advanced ECU coding and programming capabilities. User-friendly touch interface with fast performance. Regular software updates to cover the latest vehicles. Honestly, just knowing your car's problem before it becomes a huge repair bill is priceless. 3. How to use. Using it is surprisingly simple even for beginners. 1. Plug the device into your car's OBD2 port. 2. Turn on the ignition. 3. Select your car brand and system from the touchscreen menu. 4. Run diagnostics and instantly view live data, error codes, and suggested fixes. It's like having a mechanic right in your hands without the awkward waiting room. 4. Unboxing. Inside the box, you'll get the MS906 Pro tablet, OBD2 connector, carrying case, user manual, and cables. The tablet feels solid, premium, and durable. You can tell this tool is built to last. 5. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely powerful and fast diagnostics. Covers almost all vehicle brands. Regular updates. Advanced features for pros. Cons: pricey for casual users. Advanced functions require some learning curve. But honestly, for serious car enthusiasts or mechanics, the pros far outweigh the cons. 6. Price and value. The MS906 Pro isn't cheap, usually around insert current price, but think of it as an investment. It can save you hundreds, even thousands in unnecessary repairs and diagnostic fees. For anyone serious about car maintenance, it's worth every penny. 7. Final thoughts. To wrap it up, the Autel MaxiSYS MS906 Pro is a professional-grade tool that empowers you with full vehicle insights. It's fast, reliable, and packed with features. If you want to take control of your car and avoid costly surprises, this is a game-changer. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review like this. Comment below if you've ever wished you had a tool like this, and I might answer all your questions in the next video.